Today in the Dáil I raised with the Taoiseach the recent Daft.ie report on escalating rents in Ireland and how high rents are now across the country. We're looking at an average rent of 1,400 across the country a month. Dublin obviously being the highest, Cork, Galway, Limerick very high also. So for many years we've had continued increases in rent, and we know that rents have been simply unaffordable for many people. For young people, they're finding it extremely difficult to rent at affordable prices, and for young couples in particular, it's impossible now to save for a deposit whilst paying these exorbitant rents. And with all the credit constraints, the prospect of owning a home is receding fast for many young people indeed. And I put it to the Taoiseach today that given the most recent evidence of this report, and given the enormous cost of rent today, that the government needs to fundamentally alter housing policy and to consider the introduction of a rent freeze, and also to dramatically escalate the level of house building by the state in contrast to what it has been doing to date. In response, I got a very complacent response from the Taoiseach, who seemed to think that everything is fine in relation to the housing situation and that his policies are working. He does not accept that current policies are failing the young people of this country. It is time for a fundamental change in direction on housing policy towards giving people a real prospect of home ownership, as opposed to never-ending increases in rent.